Hello friends, a very good evening to you all. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue discussing the GK facts. The first one, what is the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022? Union Minister Amit Shah introduced the Criminal Procedure Identification Bill 2022 in the Lok Sabha on March 28th. The bill was presented during the ongoing second half of the budget session of the Parliament. The bill aims to authorize the police to take measurements of convicts and other persons for the purposes of their identification and investigation in criminal matters to preserve records. The new bill seeks to repeal the Identification of Prisoners Act 1920, which is limited to allowing collection of finger and footprint impressions and photographs for a limited category of convicted and non-convicted persons on the order of a magistrate. Second, which state has stopped Niti Aayog's Export Preparedness Index 2021? Gujarat has topped Niti Aayog's Export Preparedness Index for the second consecutive time, while Maharashtra has been ranked second and Karnataka has been ranked third. When is the International Day of Remembrance of Victims of Slavery 2022? The International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave Trade is observed every year on 25th March to honor and remember those who suffered and died at the hands of the brutal slavery system. Fourth, when is the Assam Rifles Day observed? Assam's Rifle Rising Day is observed every year on March 24th in India to celebrate and honor the Assam Rifles who served the country in several conflicts including both the World Wars. Fifth, which film won the Best Film Award at the Oscars 2022? Coda, Child of Deaf Act, is a heart-touching drama that revolves around the daughter of deaf parents who pursues her passion for music. Coda has a predominantly deaf cast and also won award for the Best Supporting Actor, which was won by Troy Koster and the Best Adapted Screenplay. Sixth, which Indian city is ranked the second noisiest city in the world? India's Moradabad city of Uttar Pradesh has been ranked the second noisiest city in the world, just after Bangladesh's capital Dhaka. Five cities of India have been ranked among the world's noisiest city, including New Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur, Asansol, and yes, Moradabad. Seventh, who has won the women single title at Swiss Open 2022? PV Sindhu has won the women's single title at the Swiss Open Super 300 badminton tournament in Basel on 27th March. 8th, which institution issued the world's first wildlife conservation bond, WCB? The World Bank has issued the world's first wildlife bond, named the Wildlife Conservation Bond. 9th, which global association released the Declaration on the Privacy and Protection of Personal Data? European Union. European External Action Services announced a joint declaration. 10th, Union Environment Ministry has designated which day as National Dolphin Day? October 5. The Union Ministry has designated October 5 as the National Dolphin Day to be observed annually from this year. As per the experts, the ministry should focus on improving the flow and water quality in Ganga and its tributaries to improve survival of the Gangetic dolphins. 11th, who was the first ethnic Indian Prime Minister of India? And he was Mahendra Chaudhary. 12th, who was the first woman space tourist? And she was Anousheh Ansari, and she was an Irani American. 13th, which was the first city to be attacked with atom bomb? And as you all know, Hiroshima, Japan. 14th, who was the first Indian education minister? And he was Abdul Kalam Azad. 15th, who was the first woman to receive Nobel Prize, and she was Mother Teresa. Thank you friends for watching this video.